Hey, it's Stephen D. from Beard Bushido again. Again, checking out how you can start your bearding journey on a budget. Another Amazon find for $15. Today we have a Spartans Den starter kit. We ordered the Revive scent, which is tea tree and spearmint. You're going to notice it's a little bit different from the previous set that we opened. Notice it comes back from Amazon, just in a bag. So initially, again, no caddy, no box, so a little more Spartan in the presentation. The individual items, though, look very nice. We have beard shampoo, which is 8 fluid ounces. Very nice. Again, we have the premium beard oil, 1 fluid ounce, standard size you normally get. All right. And then also the beard balm, which again, this one is 2 ounces, so again, standard size. Again, normally, industry average, each one of these would have cost you $15. We got all 3 in the starter set from Amazon for $15. So that's actually quite a bargain. All right, so let's try these out. And first, the oil. Okay. My beard, I'm just going to use 2 pumps. Okay. And tea tree and spearmint. Love it. Nice, ready. That's a very nice scent. Again, spearmint not as strong as a peppermint would be necessarily. Very clean. So, very nice. Like that. All right. A nice feel, not too heavy. Nice. All right, excellent. Have that extra in. Don't waste any of that oil. It's good stuff. All right. And then the balm. If I can get it open. All right. There we go. Again, same scent as the oil. Comes out very nice. And again, just want about a fingertip's worth. All right. Get that worked up between your fingers. All right. Again. Wow, that really, really smells good. All right. Again, just tea tree and spearmint. It's a nice, simple, clean scent. All right. Excellent. All right, again, that is Spartans Den. All right. That was available on Amazon for just $15. That would be a great set for someone that's just getting started that wants a really good smelling beard balm and oil. And again, a little bit different from the set we opened last time. Last time we opened a travel set, so it had a lot of nice things in it. It came with the comb, right? Came with the caddy, but again, they were travel size. They were miniatures. This is a full size set with beard wash, full size oil, full size balm, again for $15. Check it out. I'd love to hear from you. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Any comments? If you tried Spartans Den, let me know what your experience was. If you have any other scents that you like from Spartans Den you'd like to have reviewed, let me know. I might check those out. So thank you again. Stay safe out there and walk the bearded way.